Yeah, what's up guys? Mikey Guitar is back with another episode of lesson. For today I want to show you how to solo over some worship, Nigerian worship songs that we all know. You know, a lot of questions have been going on. What I can solo over a worship song? I can solo worship on praise songs, okay? So for today, I don't want to make this video that long. I just want to explain one or two things to you, okay? But if it's the first time watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button anyway and turn on the notification bell so you know when we start any of my video each and every time I post a new video. Okay guys, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, drop a comment down below on the comment section. Okay, I'll really appreciate it. Thanks guys for watching once more. So for today, I just want to play this popular song that we all know. You are the reason I live. I just want to use the song as an example for you guys to understand how you can solo over worship songs. The lyrics you need to apply and how you need to play it, okay, to sound more better and good. Okay. So let's just jump into the video now so you can see what I'm trying to talk. Okay.
We just want to say that we love you, God. And you're the reason that we live. We bless you, Jesus. You are the reason I live. You're the one. You're just the very one for me. You are the reason I live. You're the one for me, God. You're the one for me. And we sing constantly. You are the reason I live. Yes, you're the one for me. You are the reason I live. You are the
So, I believe you can understand what I'm trying to bring up there, okay? The main thing you need to understand at first is the muting. When you get up with worship songs like that, the first thing you need to play is you mute your guitar. Okay? You mute it before you start playing any other thing. So when you mute the guitar, it gives you a timing and it gives another tensions, okay, of understanding of what you need to play or what you have to play, okay. When you start muting the guitar, you understand the progression, how the guitar is going or how the progression is going, okay. Then when the keyboardists and the bassists, every other people are playing, then you know where to come in, okay. Like I just played, you can apply something like your sol, la, do, re, okay. Understand all those stuff. Then when the song is going as if it wants to climb up, like the high, you want to go to a high pitch, you play something like, okay. Or when the song is landing, getting to the root of the song, like when the song is going to do, now you can play something like so do, so do, okay. 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 But I pull it over. Okay. I pull the note over, like pulling it from the mi to the re. Okay. Then when the song is, I kind of see if the song wants to be a little bit going to the high pitch, you come down from something like sol la do re mi. Okay. Okay. Something like that. Then the song is in the key of B. Okay. This is the key of B on the 10th string. Okay. Okay. So when you have this play now, when you're running your scale from okay. So you can equally slide your note to this other do here to start your soloing like I just did. Okay. Something like from your saw here. Okay. You are the reason I live. Okay, something like that. That pull over. Okay. You try to slot the note. Okay. Slot the note going to your do now. This is your one chord. Okay. So I believe this lesson might have a little effect in your worship playing, okay? But at times I'm going to make more videos and more lessons on how to solo over worship song, because mostly it comes through inspirations, okay? But I believe from this lesson you'll be able to understand how to solo on your worship section, okay? So thank you guys for watching. Once again, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any more video each and every time I drop a new video. Okay, thank you guys for watching.